As a parent, learn how to value your children's opinion. Learn to respect and also learn how to respect their opinion. I know some people will be giving me bombastic side eye right now, but regardless, I will still say this one. This one is funny, but it is nothing but the truth. Learn to ask for their permission before you do certain things. Children are humans. Because you are their parents does not mean you cannot respect their boundaries. Do you know that by respecting their boundaries, it boosts their self-confidence and also help them to learn more about their rights and consent. Honestly, I don't know why I am smiling. Maybe it's because I'm saying what most of African parents do not believe in. It's okay. You don't have to, but I thought to share it here. Hello, lovelies. This is my typical Saturday morning. We had akara and custard for breakfast. You guys, this kind of breakfast helps my children to stay full till dinner time. But the downside of it is they would want to relax without doing anything, and I will start chasing them up and down to do their Saturday cleaning because it's a tradition in my house to do deep cleaning on Saturdays. But anyways, I don't make akara every Saturday for them. After lousing about, they will still do their cleaning and other stuff.